Hi, my name is Christy and welcome to my presentation. Today I will be showing you the prototype of my StudySync app and I will be explaining what I learned about Agile project management throughout this course. This presentation is addressed to my app stakeholder. So one thing that went really well during this project was the clarity of the features and the requirements. Using agile tools like user stories and product backlog made it much easier to understand what needed to be built and why. For example, we created features like group collaboration, multi language support, quizzes and assessment, and the payment page. Writing user stories helped me stay focused on the user's need. This made each sprint clear and manageable, and I always knew what the next goal was. One important lesson I learned is that future sprint can be improved by planning more realistic timelines. Some parts of the project took longer than expected, especially when designing multiple visual representation for the app features. This caused delays in completing some sprint tasks and created pressures to rush parts of the work. In the future, I recommend adding 10 to 15 buffer time during the sprint planning. This allows more flexibility for unexpected changes, design revisions, or additional research time. It would also help keep the sprint on schedule without creating stress or last minute rush. One agile principle I learned is the importance of continuous improvement. Agile encourages teams to pause after each sprint and reflect on what worked and what didn't. During this project, I applied these principles by reviewing my work after each major features. This helped me refine my designs, improve the UI layout, and make better decisions for the next features. Continuous improvements also made the process more efficient because it didn't wait until the end to fix mistakes. I improved things along the way. Now I will walk you through a quick overview of my StudySync app prototype. So this is the overview of our StudySync app. So as you can see, we have a calendar integration. So StudySync app, this sync class schedules and exams with your Google Calendars or any built-in planner. Now this one is the notification and reminder system. So what it does is it sends alerts for upcoming deadlines, study sessions, or any group activities. Okay, as you can see, it sends like a notification. So you just have to go to the reminders and notification under settings, and then that there you can click notification, and then you can set daily reminders on. Now this one is the group collaboration board. So what it does, it let user form study groups and share updates in a shared workspace. So this is the dashboard for our group collaborations. And this one is the real-time chat messaging. So it enables classmates to communicate instantly during study lesson. Right? So yeah, this one is the file and note sharing. So it lets user can upload and share lectures notes, handouts, or review materials. Watching my presentation, this project helped me understand how Agile makes development more organized, flexible, and user-focused.